anak-anak ibu, dan Happy New Year. Semoga di tahun ini dan di semester ini kita semakin menjadi lebih baik dan lebih semangat, walaupun kita masih tetap dalam proses belajar daring. Nah, materi yang ingin ibu sampaikan yaitu mengenai naratif teks, dan adapun KD-nya yaitu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks naratif tulisan dan tulis dengan memberi informasi. Yang pertama sekali ingin ibu jelaskan yaitu apa itu pengertian naratif teks. Naratif text is a text locution or specific participant. It is a piece of text which tells a story with complication or problematic events with resolution to solve the problems. Nah, kalau dia di dalam bahasa Indonesia yaitu menceritakan peristiwa yang terjadi dalam kesatuan waktu, biasanya berupa dongeng atau cerita rakyat, dan biasanya tujuannya yaitu untuk menghibur pembaca. And then generic structure. Generic structure of narrative text: the first orientation, and the second complication, and the third resolution, and the last reorientation. Okay, I want to explain step by step by generic structure of narrative text. Orientation, it is about the opening paragraph where the character of the story are introduced. Dan ini biasanya letaknya ini di awal paragraf atau di paragraf pertama. And the second about complication. Complication is where the problem in the story developed. Yes, adanya pertentangan di antara para pemain tokoh cerita, dan letaknya ini diisi dari cerita tersebut. And the last about reorientation. Reorientation is optional. It is to conclude the end of the story. Cerita harus ditutup dengan resolusi, boleh happy ending dan juga sad ending. Example, I want to give you example the story about Snow White. Snow White is Putri Salju. Once upon a time there lived a little girl named Snow White. She lived with her aunt and uncle because her parents were dead. One day she heard her uncle and aunt talking about leaving Snow White in the castle because the both wanted to go to America and they didn't have enough money to take Snow White. Snow White did not want her uncle and aunt to do this, so she decided it would be best if she ran away. The next morning, she ran away from home. When her aunt and uncle were having breakfast, she ran away into the woods. She was very tired and hungry. Then she saw this little cottage. She knocked it, but no one answered, so she went inside and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the 7 dwarfs were coming home from work. They went inside, but they found Snow White was sleeping. Then Snow White woke up. She saw the dwarf. The dwarf said, "What is your name?" Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Dog said, "If you wish, you might live here with us." Snow White said, "Oh, cool, thank you." Then Snow White told the dwarfs the whole story, and Snow White with the 7 dwarfs lived happily ever after. Itulah contoh dari naratif teks, dan telah ibu bacakan contoh dari cerita naratif teks yaitu Snow White. Nah, next week I want to explain to try how to use generic structure. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for attention. See you next week.